Oh, I know I'm drunk now. Ladies and gentlemen, I forgot my favorite man sitting over there. His name is
Mr. Doubleina, Mr. Bob Doubleina, 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 Mr. Doubleina, Mr. Bob Doubleina.
Mr. Dabalina, Mr. Bob Dabalina, Mr. Bob Dabalina, won't you quit? You really make me sick with your fraudulent behavior. You're gonna make me flip and then the army couldn't save you. Why don't you behave, you little rugrat? Take a little tip from the tabloid, because I know I'm not paranoid. When I say I saw you trying to mock me, now you and your crew are on a mission trying to hawk me. But it isn't happening, you fraudulent foes. You used to front big time, now I suppose that everything's cool since the style of apparel you adopted. You used to make fun of, but now you wanna rock it. So you gotta kick it with the homies. But DEL is already hip to your cronies. Me and CMP's thought about this and never have we seen a brother who would hover like Mr. Dabalina.
Doubleina, Mr. Bob Doubleina, Mr. Doubleina, Mr. Bob Doubleina, Mr. Doubleina, Mr. Bob Doubleina, Mr. Doubleina, Mr. Bob Doubleina.
Mr. Dabalina, you thought you could manipulate, you thought you could fool me. Ooh, Mr. Dabalina, teach wizard put me on a stump and then he schooled me. Friends could be fraudulent, just you wait and see. First he was my money grip, then he stole my honey dip. Mr. Dabalina is a serpent, don't you agree? The little two-timer resembles Aunt Jemima with jeans and a dirty white hoodie. Seems like he wouldn't be a snake, or would he? Disguises come in all sizes and shapes. Notice the facade of the snakes, they all catch the vapes, even though last year there was GQ. Took a lot of time before the DEL could see through the mask. All I had to do was ask the Emperor and Kwame, and my man responded they would bomb me. Fraudulent foe with the strength of Hercules. The way you're on my dick must really hurt your knees. You need to take heed and quit being such a groupie. Ever since I did a little show in Guadalupe, I never saw a groupie like you. But what is funny is you wanted to be down with my crew, but DEL is not down with any clowns of justice. So I would suggest that you try to impress Uncle Fester Dabalina, because you don't impress me, Dabalina. The style of dress is not the key, Dabalina. It's all in the mind and the heart, so you should start by remembering you gotta pay a fee, Dabalina.
Mr. Doubleina, Mr. Bob Doubleina, Mr. Doubleina, Mr. Bob Doubleina, Mr. Doubleina, Mr. Bob Doubleina, Mr. Doubleina, Mr. Bob Doubleina.
Glory, I was stupid, Mr. Bob Dabalina. Glory, I was stupid, Mr. Bob Dabalina. Glory, I was stupid, Mr. Bob Dabalina. Glory, I was stupid, Mr. Bob Dabalina.
Ooh, Mr. Dabalina. Ooh, Mr. Dabalina. Ooh, Mr. Dabalina. Ooh, Mr. Dabalina. Ooh, Mr. Dabalina. Ooh, Mr. Dabalina. Ooh, Mr. Dabalina. Ooh, Mr. Dabalina.
Mr. Doubleina, Mr. Bob Doubleina, 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 Mr. Doubleina, Mr. Bob
It's bad bitch o'clock, yeah, it's thick 30. I've been through a lot, but I'm still flirty. Is everybody back up in the building? It's been a minute, tell me how you're healing. Cause I'm about to get into my feelings. How you feeling? How you feel right now? Oh, I've been so down and under pressure. I'm way too fine to be this stressed, yeah. Oh, I'm not the girl I was. sentimental man or woman to pump me up. Feeling fussy, walking in my Balenciennes, trying to bring out the fabulous. Cause I give a fuck way too much. I'ma need like 2 shots in my cup. Wanna get up, wanna get down. That's how I feel right now. Oh, I've been so down and under pressure. I'm way too fine to be this stressed, yeah. I might be better. Turn up the music, turn down the lights. I got a feeling I'm gonna be alright, okay, alright. It's about damn time. Turn up the music, let's celebrate. I got a feeling I'm gonna be okay, alright. It's about damn time, bitch. Cause you know what time it is. I'm coming out tonight. 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 Okay. Alright. It's about damn time. I'm coming out tonight. 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 Okay. Alright. It's about damn time. Bitch. Yeah. Yeah. It's about damn time.
Alright, baby.
Tú me partiste el corazón,
Maluma, baby.
pero mi amor no hay problema, no. Ahora puedo regalar un pedacito a cada nena, solo un pedacito. Tú me partiste el corazón, ay mi corazón, pero mi amor no hay problema, no. Ahora puedo regalar un pedacito a cada nena, solo un pedacito. Ya no venga más con eso, cuento mami. Si desde el principio siempre tuve para ti, nunca me avisaron cuál era el problema. Te gusta estar rodando porque jamás sabes nada. Ahora me tocó a mí cambiar el sistema, andar con gatas nuevas, repartir el corazón sin tanta pena. Ahora te digo goodbye, muito obrigado, pa' ti ya no hay. No tengo miedo de decir adiós, yo quiero repartirme el corazón. Ahora te digo goodbye, muito obrigado, pa' ti já não hay.
Você partiu meu coração, ai meu coração. Mas meu amor não tem problema, não. Que agora vai sobrar então, o que?
Pedacito a cada nena, solo pedacito.
Se eu não guardo nem dinheiro, que dirá guardar rancor? Você vacilou primeiro, nosso caso acabou.
No tengo miedo de decir adiós, yo quiero repartirme el corazón. Ahora te digo goodbye, muito obrigado, pa' ti ya no hay. Tú me partiste el corazón, ay mi corazón, pero mi amor no hay problema, no. Ahora puedo regalar un pedacito a cada nena, solo un pedacito.
Tchau, eu não sei falar muito bem português, mas quero aprender. Pretty boy baby, dirty boy baby, Maluma baby.
Maluma baby. jump on that flight and meet you that night to make it tear up the room. And she loves when everybody's watching. She does the way her body moves. And she loves the way they all call back when she says that she loves nobody else but you. She's on the loose. She's coming. She's coming. She's coming. She's coming for you. She's on the loose. She's coming. She's coming. She's coming. She's coming for you. She danced in the dark, a real work of art. Eyes could burn down the room. So get out while you can. You don't understand. She doesn't know how to lose. She loves when everybody's watching. She knows the way her body moves. She loves the way they all crawl back when she said that she loves nobody else but you. She's on the loose. She's coming. She's coming. She's coming. She's coming for me. She's on the loose. She's coming. She's coming. She's coming. She's coming for you. She'll run with your mind and pull you inside and trade you in for something new. I know what it's like. I fell for it twice and now I'm just warning you. She loves when everybody's watching. She knows the way her body moves. She loves the way they all crawl back when she says that she loves nobody else but you. She loves when everybody's watching. She knows the way her body moves.
Some legends are told, some turn to dust.